Welcome to 11195 here on the Icon of the Seas. Let me give you a tour. This is a spacious, infinite Central Park view balcony. Look at how cool this is. So to start off, we've got your king bed. This can be split into two twins. You just have to ask them and they will do that for you. We've also got a bunch of storage over here. It's got two sides to it with a bunch of hangers, as well as some bins down below. We also have the mirror that you can pull open. It also has some shelves, as well as your safe. We also have some great hooks right over here. And then we have this big TV. Look how big this is. This is nice. As well as on this side, we've got some cute little shelves, which is fun, so that you can store some stuff in it, as well as some outlets down there. And then over here we have our couch. They're then gonna later put this into a bed later at night. And then we have this big desk here. We've got a bunch of outlets right over here for you, as well as some more right over there. We've got a bunch of drawers. We got one right here. We have one in here that's gonna have like your breakfast menus and stuff. And then one right here that has your blow dryer and some tissues. As well as down here, we have your little mini fridge. All right, and then you also have this cute chair. Look at the pattern on this chair. It's really pretty. And you also have a cute little sea table. On some of them, they normally have like a desk that pulls out, but here you just have a cute little sea table so you can put it like near the couch area. And then for the best part, this is the infinite balcony. So it doesn't actually it's not like your regular balcony. This window actually does drop down, and then you can see out into Central Park. It's a really cool view, and it's nice because it's indoors. So then if it's hot outside, you don't have to worry about the heat because you're indoors. You've got two chairs right here, along with a table. I love the color, it's super cute. Also nice about this room is you also have some curtains. So you can just completely shut the room, and then you're able to, if people are sleeping or not, you're able to just come in here and have all the light blocked out. Also have some shades that you can control using your thermostat. It's gonna control your lights and the shades. And so those can come down. So if you want the room completely dark, it would be perfect. And now let's check out the bathroom. So first when you walk in, you're gonna have your toilet along with some great shelves right next to it. And then here is the new shower design. I've never seen this before, so it actually pulls into it. And then you're gonna have your shower wand. It is adjustable, so you can lower it or raise it. You also have some great shelves right over here, as well as they do only have hair and body wash together. It is not separate, and it's not always the best, so if you want more specific stuff, I would definitely bring it. And then you have this rack up here for all of your towels, as well as this cute bench that you can sit on. And then we have the vanity right over here. It's got some great shelves along with an outlet for like your razors or whatever you want. And then we also have a bunch of storage down here along with a little trash can. And something I just noticed is they actually have this drawer that pulls out. It's an interesting drawer, but you can fit some stuff in there. So that's nice that they made use of that little space. And that's a tour of 11195 here on the Icon of the Seas. I hope you guys liked this video and hopefully found it helpful. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.